Ever wondered about the strength of India's defense capabilities or the significance of surveillance and reconnaissance in today's warfare? In the chess game of modern warfare, surveillance is the eyes and ears of the battlefield, while reconnaissance is the agile knight, swiftly moving across the board to provide vital information. In the midst of this high-stakes contest, the DRDO Aura, a stealth, unmanned aerial vehicle, is a crucial piece, bolstering India's defense capabilities. With its advanced design and cutting-edge technology, the Aura is more than just a UAV. It is a symbol of innovation and strategic prowess, a testament to India's growing influence in the world of defense. Designed for stealth and powered by a high-bypass turbofan engine, the Aura is capable of conducting long-duration surveillance and reconnaissance missions, operating at high altitudes and transmitting real-time data to ground stations. Let's delve into the technicalities of the DRDO Aura and understand its role in bolstering India's defense prowess. The Aura, a low, observable or stealthy UAV, is an engineering marvel. Its design is meticulously crafted to reduce its radar cross-section, making it harder to detect. The Aura's design is not just about its sleek appearance, but a calculated approach to stealth. Every curve, every edge, and every surface has been thoughtfully shaped to deflect radar signals away rather than reflecting them back. But the design is just half the story. The Aura is constructed from advanced composite materials, including carbon fiber and radar-absorbent materials. These substances are not only incredibly lightweight and durable, but they also absorb and diffuse radar signals, further reducing the Aura's radar signature. These materials are layered and woven together in a way that maximizes strength and minimizes weight, allowing the Aura to withstand the high-stress environment of high-speed, high-altitude flight. This stealthy design and material composition make Aura a difficult target to detect. What makes the Aura stand out are its impressive performance specifications. Let's start with the size of the Aura. Its length clocks in at around 40 to 50 feet, with a wingspan of approximately 66 to 82 feet. This stealth UAV is no lightweight either, as it tips the scales at an estimated 1 to 2 tons. But it's not just about size. What powers this beast? The Aura has a high-bypass turbofan engine under the hood. This engine, likely a variant of the Indian-made Kaveri, offers a high thrust-to-weight ratio, enabling the Aura to confidently navigate the skies at high altitudes. So, just how high can the Aura go? This UAV can soar to altitudes of up to 30,000 feet. That's more than 5.5 miles above the ground. Talk about a bird's-eye view. Now let's talk speed. The Aura is no slouch. It's capable of reaching speeds up to Mach 0.8, which is around 600 miles per hour. That's faster than most commercial jets. But it's not just about speed and altitude. The Aura also boasts impressive endurance. It can stay aloft for around 12 to 15 hours. This extended flight time allows it to conduct long-duration surveillance and reconnaissance missions, providing critical information to ground forces. The Aura's performance specifications make it a formidable asset in the sky. It's large yet stealthy, fast yet enduring, powerful yet sophisticated. All these characteristics combined make the Aura a standout in the field of unmanned aerial vehicles. So what does this all mean? It means that the Aura is more than just a drone. It's a testament to the technological prowess of the Indian Air Force and the Defense Research and Development Organization. It's a symbol of India's growing capabilities in the realm of defense and security. But remember, the Aura is more than just its performance specifications. It's a complex system of advanced materials, cutting-edge avionics, and innovative design. All these elements work together to create a UAV that is truly exceptional. The Aura's performance specifications make it a formidable asset in the sky. The Aura is more than just a flying machine. It's a technologically advanced UAV with a high degree of autonomy. Let's delve into the Aura's payload capabilities. This stealth UAV is capable of carrying a variety of payloads, including electro-optical and infrared sensors, synthetic aperture radar, and communication intelligence systems. These systems allow the Aura to capture high-resolution images, monitor communications, and detect objects in various weather conditions, day or night. When it comes to avionics and navigation systems, the Aura is second to none. It boasts advanced avionics and navigation systems like GPS and INS, which help navigate through complex terrain. Moreover, the UAV is equipped with autopilot systems, enabling it to operate autonomously. This means it can take off, land, and conduct missions with minimal human intervention. The Aura's stealth features further enhance its capabilities. With a serrated edge on the wings, a curved fuselage, and a reduced radar cross-section, the Aura is designed to be hard to detect. These design elements, combined with the advanced composite materials like carbon fiber and radar-absorbent materials, minimize its radar signature, making it a truly stealthy UAV. One of the standout features of the Aura is its secure data link system. This system allows the Aura to transmit real-time data to ground stations or other aircraft. In essence, this feature allows for seamless communication and data sharing, enhancing the efficiency of surveillance and reconnaissance operations. But what truly sets the Aura apart is its high degree of autonomy. Thanks to its advanced systems, the Aura can independently execute complex operations. This level of autonomy not only reduces the operational risk for human personnel, but also allows the UAV to operate in environments that may be deemed too risky or inhospitable. The Aura's advanced systems and autonomy truly set it apart as a cutting-edge piece of military technology. This isn't just a UAV, it's a testament to the strides made in autonomous military technology and a symbol of the future of warfare and defense. To sum it all up, the DRDO Aura is a testament to India's growing defense capabilities. With its stealth design and advanced composite materials, the Aura is a hard-to-detect UAV, perfectly suited for surveillance and reconnaissance. Its size and weight, combined with a high-bypass turbofan engine, allow this bird to operate at high altitudes, reaching speeds of up to Mach 0.8. An endurance of 12 to 15 hours is a testament to its long-duration mission capabilities. The Aura's payload versatility, carrying everything from electro-optical and infrared sensors to communication intelligence systems, demonstrates its adaptability in the field. Equipped with advanced avionics, navigation systems, and secure data link systems, the Aura can operate autonomously, navigating complex terrains and transmitting real-time data without human intervention. Add to this an array of stealth features, and you've got a formidable piece of modern warfare technology. The DRDO Aura, with its impressive capabilities, is a significant step forward in modern warfare technology, reinforcing India's position in global defense.